Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. Today we're making one more cocktail with passion fruit, and I know you love passion fruit. I mean, not all of you, but a lot of you. But the recipe of this cocktail goes way back to the 1930s in England. Some might describe it as a vintage porn star martini. The cocktail is called Gargoyle No. 2. It was created back in 1930s in London, England, in a club of the same name, Gargoyle Club, by its head bartender George White. This cocktail appears in several cocktail books published in England around the time of its appearance. And you know me, I'm down for everything, so I'm down for passion fruit and vintage recipes. So without further ado, let's make a Gargoyle No. 2. First we need a passion fruit. I have one here. We're going to cut it in half. And scrape its ingredients into our shaker. I mean, when it comes to looks, I'm not sure I've seen a nastier fruit than passion fruit. Maybe there is something, let me know in the comments below. But it's quite delicious, I love it. Next up is gin, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Followed by vodka, 30 ml, 1 ounce. And for a little bit of sweetness, sugar syrup, 7.5 ml, quarter of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. That's about it. Beautiful, like always. It smells like gin. Now we need a chilled glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our chilled glass because we don't want small pieces of ice and fruit in our drink. Yeah, that's that. Yellow color from passion fruit. Maybe a bit more. No, that's it. Now for garnish, we need lemon zest. Just express the oils above the cocktail, give it a little rub and discard it. And we need 1/2 of passion fruit. Yep, just drop it in, let it float. That's it, ladies and gents, Gargoyle No. 2. Cheers! Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good, yes. Passion fruit, gin, vodka, simple syrup. It's sweet and it tastes like passion fruit. You can't taste gin, you can taste vodka. It's amazing. It's tropical, it's fruity. Oh yes, oh yes. If you love passion fruit, this one's definitely for you. Try it, try to make it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. This is amazing. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Gargoyle No. 2 vintage recipe from 1930s created by George White in London, in Gargoyle Club. Real easy to make. You need gin, vodka, some simple syrup and 1 fresh passion fruit. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. You know your support means everything to me. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.